Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Caringbah, Sydney. I've got this BMW X30, X30D F15 diesel. We're doing the front brakes, and we remove the disc out to do the actual measurement. And we have measured the disc from here, and the measurement was 29 from there to there, but the minimum was 28.4. So we are very close to the minimum thickness. So we ordered the front disc already. Just want to show you what we've done. We cleaned everything down. So much dust on this part here of the actual car, inside the caliper as well. A lot of dust in there and dirt. It's a lot of time to wash it, but it's better to wash it. I'll show you the other side what I mean, so we can compare it. See how dirty this side is? The more dirt and the more dust you take off the front brakes area, the better the less squeal, because most of the dust is going to go onto the actual brake disc. So try your best. We'll try our best to clean everything down. See the caliper there? Here, everything's cleaned up properly. I'll show you the other caliper. Very hard to scrub down, but even the actual caliper here, actual caliper bracket, clean it up properly. So we're going to put new disc, new pads. We've done the service already, and then we'll go from there. All right, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.